Nandamuri Taraka Rama Rao, popularly called NTR, he was a cinema superstar with a fan base of millions built across a career spanning nearly 300 films over 3 decades in which his portrayals of Lords Krishna, Shiva and Rama had burnished his image with a halo. The Congress establishment did not take NTR seriously when he launched Telugu Desam in 1982, dismissing him as an elderly novice. An eccentric has been with notions far above his screen status. Observers scoffed at the upstart. Every conventional argument was dusted out of a lazy cupboard to reinforce the assumption that Congress would once again win in the assembly elections scheduled for 1983. What the politico-media complex could not fathom, largely because it rarely left the air-conditioned cabins of the capital, was that facts were changing where it mattered, on the ground. There was one media magnate, however, who knew that the moment had found a leader. Rama Rao, creator of the Inadu Group, an innovative genius who should rightly be described as the NTR of media, became a mentor. NTR was 59 when he decided that he would change the destiny of his people. His opportunity lay in the 1983 elections. By any norm, there was simply too little time to convert an idea into a mass movement. Telugu Desam had not yet been formally recognized by the Election Commission, and so NTR's candidates would have to contest the polls technically as independents. The hurdles that NTR overcame are evidence of his formidable charisma. There was uncertainty about whether his candidates would be able to fight on a common symbol, for his was a new party. Fortunately, in the 1977 general election, the Election Commission had allotted a common symbol to the Janata Party although it had not been officially formed. Precedents established, NTR got the bicycle as party symbol. But it was still an infant image pitted against a Congress brand reinforced by Indira Gandhi's phenomenal name recognition. Rama Rao was a screen legend. But every legend does not add a political chapter to its saga. NTR's transformational genius lay in his abiding commitment to the poor. The quality of NTR's governance eroded any facile analysis. The one thing he brought from his cinema skills was a slightly rotund oratory that enthralled voters. A palpable thrill energized the audience whenever he spoke. N.T. Rama Rao was sworn in as the 10th and the first non-Congress Chief Minister of the state on the 9th of January 1983.